here, and let's see, we can use this one to make a piece of the bangle. We can go through it by the memory wire bangle. Okay, this one here. Let's go into try to buy the memory wire bangle here. This one. Okay. So then the first, let's go to put some spacer beads. We need to use some spacer beads between this one. Here is about 2.5 millimeter beads. Hello, Kitty. Happy to see you. Okay. Let's use these beads. And I will going to use this gold bead, this silver beads put at the end to glue it to the top. So I'm going to use the super glue. Hi, Yoni. Happy to see you. We use the super glue at the beginning here. Okay. We glue it, let it be dry easily. Here. This one. Then this is the memory wire. Okay, let it be dry. Hi, happy to see you, everyone. Hi, Katie. Hello, Tracy. Hi, Taya V. Hello, Southern Crabber, Yoni. Happy to see you. We are today making a memory wire bangle by the two beads. Yeah, the beads material is hematite, and we are going to use this kind of the beads to make a design in silver color here. So this, and except this one, we can use these beads to make something else. We can also use it to make a piece of the cute ring. Wrap it like a cute ring here. This one. So dry. When it's dry, let's string the beads here. Okay. So it's put these beads on. Then let's go continue. We can put this small beads one. We can put two. One, two. here. This goes through here. Then you can see it come like this. Hi, Snack. Happy to see you. Okay. Then we continue. It's very easy making by this kind of the beads here. Go through. Then we put the beads. 1, 2. The 1 and the 2. And the 1 here. So it's like this. I think this way to make the bangle looks very nice. And the beads price is very good. This is a hematite stone, not glass beads. And the price for the beads is very good. Even this one and the small, we can use it to make the design for anything else. Hi, Moonrose. Hello, OC Link. Happy to see you. Okay, here we go put the beads. Here. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. And the 1 and the 2. And here. Hello, Heartbeats. Happy to see you. Heartbeats, if she have an open basket. 那个 coffee 的 total 有了吗？ Here. 1, 2. Here. No, we are just at the beginning, dear. Heartbeats 有没有 total？ 啊？它有盒子吗？ Heartbeats, yes, you have a basket. You have a basket here. Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy you like it. Thank you so much. Here we are share with you how we making the jewelry by ourselves. We are a channel share with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. If you are interested, you can come here to learn the free tutorials here. Heart beads need a total. Yep. 1 and 2. One, 2. Hi, Coffee Land. Coffee Land, you have a basket here also. Here. Yes, it's new beads, so I'm here to share with you. These are the new beads we are making. Today, if you are love the silver color, we are all these beads in silver. We have all these beads in silver. Here. You will be happy for the people who love silver. Here. This one. And this is the hematite beads. It's a kind of the stone hematite, but the price is very nice. Yeah, happy silver person. Okay, we are almost be done for this bangle. Hi. Yeah, and the price is very good. Especially like this silver beads, we can use it as the spacer. Replace the silver color. Yeah, this and is faceted. Here go through and two beads on each. Heart beads, your total now is 87. The heart, and here you got some charms. Yeah, got some cute charms here and some chain here. So your total 87. 87 is your total. Okay. Here. Okay, continue. Welcome to my life, everyone. This is a channel here show with you how to making the jewelry by yourself, and we are a shop that sell all the supplies, all the jewelry materials you can find here. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you want you are do the jewelry business, you can get some beads, some chains here, accessories, everything you can got. And the one and the two here. Okay, the beads. Okay, then let's see. Do you think it's very easy? New charm. Charms, you can tell me which kind of the charms you want. We have many different charms here. What size are the square beads? Square beads is let me measure. See, it's 6 millimeter. 6 millimeter for this. This one is beads that's like this square shape, and the top is tips. Yeah, here. Oh yes, I didn't put two beads. Forgot. Here. Okay, then the last we can stop. Okay, we can cut it and put the glue on. Need this plier in my basket. Which kind of the plier you want? A flat plier, dear? You want the flat plier? Flat plier price is 17. the brown one. $17 for the brown one plier. Thank you. Here. Okay, where I put the glue. Okay. Let it dry. You want this one, right? The flat plier. Flat plier price is 17, my dear. 17. Okay. Let's just waiting a little moment, waiting for the glue dry. If you want the plier, you can type, yeah, the type 17. The brown plier is 17. 17 for this plier. Same as I use. Very good quality. Here. Okay. So here, this is the super glue that we use. It's the super glue we use, so it's dry faster. Clear color super glue for this. Okay. So this is a bangle that we made by this, and this beads one string for this square shape